Welcome to this guided meditation for reprogramming your subconscious mind and completely shifting your reality. I want you to begin by finding a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Be sure that your back and neck are straight. As you settle in, relax, get comfortable. When you are ready, gently close your eyes, very slowly. I want you to begin by taking a deep breath into your diaphragm, the bottom of your lungs. Really fill up your belly. Fill it up with fresh, revitalizing air. Slowly exhale. This is releasing any tension or stress in the physical body. I want you to become extremely aware, hyper-aware of your breath. With each inhale, I want you to imagine you're breathing in positivity, light, and abundance. Now with each exhale, imagine releasing negative thoughts, doubts, fears that may be lingering in your mind. Do this for the next 2 minutes without my voice guiding you. Now I want you to imagine a beautiful garden. It's within your mind, a place where you feel safe, calm, and at complete peace. Picture yourself walking through the garden, surrounded by vibrant colors, fragrant flowers, and the soothing sounds of nature. Now as you walk through this garden, notice any negative beliefs or patterns that may be holding you back in life. These could be doubts about your abilities, fears or failures, or past traumas that are still lingering in your subconscious mind. Now, as you walk through this garden and you become aware of these programs, I want you to imagine yourself holding a magic wand. This is a tool of transformation and empowerment. Now with each wave of the wand, you have the power to rewrite these negative beliefs and replace them with positive affirmations and intentions. Let's take a moment to identify one negative belief, just one, or a pattern that you would like to release and transform. It could be anything from self-doubt to limiting beliefs about your worthiness or capabilities. Now, using your magic wand, visualize yourself erasing these negative beliefs from your subconscious mind, as if it were written on a chalkboard. See the words or images fading away, leaving behind a completely blank canvas. Next, imagine yourself writing a positive affirmation or intention in its place. Choose words that truly resonate with you and reflect the reality you wish to create. Now, for example, I am worthy, I am capable, or I trust in my inner wisdom. Repeat this affirmation in your mind, silently to yourself, allowing it to sink deep into your subconscious. Visualize it taking root like a seed planted in fertile soil, growing stronger and more resilient with each passing moment. Stay centered, and with these new programs, take a few moments to just bask in the energy of this positive affirmation, feeling its truth resonating within you. Truly know that you have the power to reprogram your subconscious mind and create the life you desire. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to your breath, knowing with absolute certainty that you have reprogrammed your subconscious mind. Walk more through the garden, through this beautiful scenery. Feel the energy and empowerment of your new-found programming. Really allow it to set in. Stay in this meditation for as long as you like. Or you can go find other programs that you wish to tend to. If perhaps you see another limiting belief that you don't like and you wish to change. Same exercise. Use your magic wand. Completely erase it from your subconscious mind. Replace it with whatever you wish it to be. Something positive. Something that resonates with you at a very deep level. Now, when you are ready, gently open your eyes, feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and empowered to take on whatever lies ahead. Do this exercise every morning for the next 7 days, and I absolutely guarantee your life will flip upside down and change completely. Enjoy your new transformation. Truly believe and feel the new you. Thank you, my friend, for joining me in this guided meditation for reprogramming your subconscious mind. May you continue to nurture positive thoughts and beliefs as you journey through life. If you enjoyed this meditation, don't forget to like the video, and if you feel so inclined, comment. I love hearing from you. Thank you again for meditating with me. Have a great day.